Havoc here from Any Online, and today in this video I'm going to review the Havoc OS version 2.6. The latest custom ROM is available based on Android Pie. So without any further delays, let's wreak some havoc. So this is the latest version of Havoc OS, that is the version 2.6, which is based on Android Pie. So let's jump onto the settings first and let me show you the about device, about phone. And as you can see here, if you tap on the Android version, it's 9, and the security patch which you are getting is latest, that is 5th May 2019. And let me just tap here. So as you can see, this is perfect Pie here. Okay, nice. And yeah, now let's just go back and see what all are here in the settings. So as you know, as this is Android Pie, and so it will have the digital well-being, and the digital well-being works perfect, and it shows you the exact stats about how much, like what are the apps which you're using a lot and all, and how many times have you unlocked phone. So yeah, that's great. Nothing to tell too much about the digital well-being. I guess people might be knowing about this. And if you scroll, yeah, about the battery thing. So I have been using this ROM from a week, and the battery performance is quite surprising when compared to the other stock ROMs. Even Havoc has improved a lot in their battery performance. The beauty is, your device, like on a single charge, it runs all, like it will give you a backup around like almost a day. You will get a backup around almost one full day. The battery is not an issue. And as we know, this is the Havoc OS, so there are some special Havoc settings. So let's wreak some havoc. As you can see, there are so many customization options. If you go to the status bar setting, you can see here double tap to sleep, and the brightness control by sliding across the status bar. If I go like this, the brightness decreases. If I go towards like this, the brightness increases. So that's amazing feature. And if I double tap here, the device gets locked. So yeah, that's, and there are many, the battery style. If you want it like Android Q, it will be like Android Q. It will show you the battery percentage, network speed if you enable it. Or yeah, there are several customization options. I'll not go too deep into this thing. Now let's just go back and say into the quick setting. So here you can arrange your quick settings, icons and all the way you want. So yeah, in the interface you can change the UI style if you want it like AOSP or pixel, so that's nice. And around like the accent color, the font manager and all, if you want to change the font of the this thing, if we ROM and all, if you want to change. Plus there are different more customization options. If you want to check out, you can definitely check it out. Now let's just go back and see the screen option. In screen, nothing, just screen stabilization is there whenever you device moves. As I hope you are able to see, the screen is also moving, I guess. And if you go to the gestures there, okay, this gesture is there after MIUI. Many custom ROMs are giving this option to 3-finger swipe to take a screenshot like this, I guess. No, yeah, so that's it. So that's nice. Some system gestures are there for activating the torch and all, and more customization options. And now let's just go to the buttons ones. And here you can customize, like assign a function to each and every volume, like each and every button you can assign some functions. So that's nice. if we just go back, no, okay, yeah, if you just go back to some notification, some blinking of LED, you can change the color and all, and some animation stuff you want. If you want to change some stuff regarding the animation and regarding the battery saving, so yeah, here are some more customization options, so you can, you know, like make the best like use of your battery and get more backup. So that's nice. And nothing new over here. So these are the some special settings of Havoc OS. And regarding, you know, you might be having this doubt whether you can run this ROM as your daily driver or not. I would say definitely a big thumbs up. If you want to go ahead, download this ROM, go ahead, download it, use it as your daily driver. There are no issues, no bugs. Only one thing which I have observed is in this, VoLTE is not supported. It supports only LTE, it's not VoLTE, so that's a bug, I'd say. And regarding, if you ask me like about other things, the other things are fine. There's no lag or something. The experience is quite smooth. I would like to say like it's like better than the the normal MIUI. You get a very smooth performance. I mean, that's amazing. As you can see, there's no lag. And regarding the camera, I have been using, yes, again, the Gcam, the savior. So the Gcam works perfect. There are no lags, nothing. The portrait mode also works fine, but this app crashes only when you switch to the video mode. Okay, here is a small gift from my side to the people who are using custom ROMs and they want to vlog and shoot videos, you know, in some high frame rate and all. So here is, if this camera application which is built in with this Havoc OS, if you just go there and switch to the video mode, so I'm already there in the video mode. So if you just tap over here and if you change this thing, you know, the high frame rate recording, I have been recording in high speed 120 fps and slow motion 120 fps, and you can change the quality also and do this, you know, shoot in slow motion 60 fps 90 fps. It works, but the picture quality, like the video quality won't be that nice. But yeah, if you are like limited resources and if you want to do some great stuff, so this will help you. And even the stabilization, if you switch on the stabilization, so in high frame rate it doesn't support the stabilization, but in general the stabilization works for the front camera and the back camera. And regarding the Gcam, I told you that if you switch on to the video, the app crashes. Otherwise the portrait mode, panorama, everything works fine. There are no issues, nothing. The photos are great, and the night side is also there. Okay, as you saw, I switched to video and the app crashed. So yeah, so time lapse is there, so you can take time lapses, so that's nice. But if you go over here, as you can see, there's a night sight, and also night sight works. There are no issues. I'll be posting some sample shots taken using Gcam in Redmi 4X. So yes, and yeah, the other important thing, which is whether there are any bugs with the fingerprint sensor, I would say no. So I'll be unlocking my phone with the fingerprint sensor, and the fingerprint sensor works fine. So here I am giving the demo, so I'll be tapping over here and the device is unlocked. So that's it from my side, and I would like to give this ROM like around a rating around 9 out of 10. Why? Because it is almost like there are almost no bugs except the VoLTE thing. Everything works perfect. The Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, everything works great. And regarding the camera also performs well. So that's it, guys. If you found this video informative, then do smash the like button, and if you're new to our channel, do also press the subscribe button. So thanks for watching, and I hope you to see in my next one.